before we even broke ground. This factory already exists in the digital world, built precisely countless times. Welcome to the starting point of modern engineering, a blueprint composed of algorithms. Today, we are not just showcasing animations. We'll reveal how it happens step by step, from a virtual concept, transforming into a steel framework that supports real-world production. These detailed 3D models are far more than just visual representations. They are the origin of all our work. Here, we simulate the stress on every beam and column, plan the space for every piece of equipment, and even pre-simulate every upgrade to the future production line. We make all the invisible factors, structure, processes, and even time, visible and calculable. This ensures that all major engineering decisions are validated before the first bolt is tightened. But a perfect design requires equally perfect physical components. When the components of the virtual world are broken down, precise production instructions are sent directly to our factory. You see this complex node in the animation? In reality, it's cut from a solid steel plate by CNC machines. The robot's welding path is precisely the same as the simulated trajectory. Here, the digital model is not a reference. It's the authoritative guide for production. We ensure that every component leaving our factory is a perfect replica of its digital twin. With these components, each possessing a digital identity, we arrived at the construction site. The process becomes unexpectedly clear and efficient, like a meticulously choreographed symphonies. Lifting, positioning, and fastening. Every step has been pre-simulated in the animation. The on-site team's task is no longer one of trial and error, but of executing a fully validated, precise plan. We are not building on site, but assembling a future that has already been fully realized. This is the power of the integrated model. It connects the virtual and the real. From design to delivery, it means fewer surprises, shorter timelines, and higher quality. What we deliver is not a construction process full of uncertainties, but a predictable and achievable outcome. When you choose us, you rate choosing not just a builder, but a partner who can foresee and control the entire process. Thank you for watching.